Hello, my name is Susan Kelly and I will explain to you to use our application Pedale. By downloading the application the home screen, you will have access to the main app buttons that are Groups, Ride, Rent and News. By clicking the button Group, you will have access to the main groups of Bike Tour of Recife. On that page there will be the time and place that each group meets to conduct the tour. Moreover, you will have access to the on-group page that will have more information about it. At the bottom, you will find the Return button to return to your home page. By clicking the button Ride, you can create an account with your all event. State name of the tour, date, place of departure, time, destination, the distance of the route, among the other things. By registering your event, it will appear at the top of the screen after confirming the administrators of the application. In Rent button, you have access to some websites that inform you the best way to rent a bicycle for a particular ride. This screen is primarily for people who do not have that bike and want to join a tour without borrowing from a friend. In the News button, you will get reports on place to ride. You just click on the sunset for local walks in the morning and the moon icon for local sightings at night. Also have access groups that teach people to learn to ride a bike, but for free and with payment. In addition, you will get the latest information with links to websites about the improvements and changes in the city of Recife for cyclists, and local bike paths and bike lanes with